morning guys! Nandito kami sa merienda. Ayan, nag-attend kami ng seminar ng SMDZ para magkaroon ng mga bahay. Ayan si Sir Pogi. Ayan, birthday boy niya ngayon. Ayan yung mga bata. Ayan yung kasama ko. Ayan kasama ko. Ayan kasama ko. Ayan yung mga ayan si Mamo. At syempre, nandito ako, nakikita ako. Diba? Diba maganda ako? Bye-bye! Ayan, nag-waiting kami ng pagkain kasi break. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. 98 years old na yan. Thank you. Dito po. Dito dalawa. Thank you. Ayan na yung aming pagkain. Bye-bye. Hello, makikain ako dito sa birthday ni Chris, ng aking panganay. So, tulog pa siya. Kumain na yung bunso. So, ito naman. Ito yung nanay. Tapos, makikikain ako. Okay? Let's go, guys.
One, right?
No, this is the one. The other one is UK.
This is for Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
Yung magnanay. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hello. This one, enter your birthday, 16.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
1990.
Thank you for watching.
26.
1996.
Good morning, guys. Gawa tayo ng dumplings. Ito ay minced pork, tapos shrimp, merong konting gulay. Hindi Chinese tradition to, kaya lang di ko nilagyan ng ibang ingredients kasi hindi pwede sa baby namin. So ano lang to, konting gulay, chop ng maliliit, tapos mix ko lang with sesame oil, salt, tapos white egg. Tapos ngayon babalutin na natin. Meron tayong wonton whopper. So may nabalot na akong isa. So balot ulit tayo. So, ito. Tapos, syempre, para dumikit siya, lagyan natin siya ng water dito sa mga edge. Sa mga dulo. Tapos, ganyan natin siya. Siyempre, malinis yung kamay natin. Tapos, ikutin natin siya ng kaunti. Tapos, pagdikitin naman natin yung dulo. So, ito siya ngayon. Fish and
Baby, have you don't have auntie to make the dumpling?
No, I still have food in my mouth.
Patila.
I'm done.
so,
I think she cannot make this one. Come with
the baby will help me.
I
Okay.
still want
I
it.
give it to you, this one.
叫阿 B 跟埋爸爸去好嘛？
And you fold. You fold.
阿 B 跟爸爸去好嘛？
You hold it.
知唔知有最後一個曲奇一路冇人食㗎？
Let me see. Yeah, it's so ugly. Like this, look at me.
買咁多日到呢個曲奇。
Then, like this. Like this is good. Triangle. Triangle. Then, like this.
still have candle. Why is so long? Yeah.
And then, make like this.
Yes. And then like this, baby. Like this. You use finger. Like this. Make it together. Make it together. Can you? Yeah. Yeah. It's done. It's her dumpling. It's ugly.
哇！你都識啊？
Why auntie is so beautiful, but you make the one. Oh, maybe need some water to make it stick together. Yeah, the baby didn't use. Make it. Yes, baby. Put some water. Put some water. Some water. Here, here, here. And then you stick together. This.
So, yan na nga ang nagawa natin.
So, yeah,
Konti lang.
yeah.
Mamaya natin lulutuin yan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Thank you.